If you want your logos to look like that, you've come to the right place. Adding logos to your kill feed can help quite a lot in remembering who got knocked and who died on which team fight, as logos are a lot more memorable than just numbers. You're gonna remember Denmark being down a player. You're probably not gonna remember if team 17 or if team 7 is down a player. Here's how to do it. You have to make an observer file, the same way it's used for tournaments, and then you have to navigate to the right folder and put it in there. The observer file is pretty simple. It's a folder called observer that has a folder called team icon, which is where all the logos have to go. And then there's the team info CSV, which is the file where all the information about the teams are. Now, it's really important that you format that file correctly. It's really important that CSV file is set up perfectly. So I'm gonna show you a functioning one here, and then hopefully you'll be able to recreate it for yourself. So the way it works is it always starts with this header, which is basically telling the game what information is in the file. It's team number, team name, team short name, image file, team color. Now, most information in this file doesn't matter to you. It only matters to the observers, but you still have to put every single line in that file in that exact format that the first line is in. So there needs to be a number, there needs to be a name, all that stuff has to be there, even though you only care about the logo. You only care about can.png, but all the rest has to be correct for the game to read it correctly. The reason I put in more than 16 teams is because in ranked you'll have more than 16 teams in your average lobby. 23 should do a pretty good job at accounting for most of the solo squatters and duos in there. Again, formatting is really crucial here. If you get one of the lines wrong, that logo won't work. And if you get it really, really wrong, there's a chance that none of the following logos will work. Now, once you've made that folder, all you have to do is go to your file explorer. You click in the address bar, you type %app data %. This is going to take you to app data roaming. What we want to do is go back up to app data. Then we click on local. We look for TSL game. We click on saved. And this is where your observer file needs to go. You put it in the saved folder. If you want to make this process easier on yourself, you right click this saved folder and you click pin to quick access. That's going to make this folder appear here on the left. And that means you can always navigate there way quicker. Now you go into this folder. You need a folder in there called observer, which has a folder in it called team icon, exactly spelled like that, and a teaminfo.csv. If you have both of these set up correctly, logo files in team icon, information in teaminfo.csv, you should be good to go. Now I'm going to make this even easier for you. I'm just going to upload a functioning observer file and put a link in the description so you don't have to go through the hassle of writing one yourself. If you like having logos in your kill feed and you find this video helpful, I would love if you could subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also use my creator code in game. Description is in the link below.